So good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss a worksheet on photoelectric effect. So here is the worksheet on the basic concept of photoelectric effect. Photons are emitted on a surface and you need to calculate the electron emission possibility. Is it sure that electron will come out? A relation between phi naught and nu naught, and graphical relation between work function and the threshold frequency, then relation between nu naught and lambda naught, then graphical variation between nu naught and lambda naught. Then we have another graphs related to the properties of photons of light. Then we have certain theoretical or conceptual questions, certain graphical based question on the photoelectric effect. Then there is another worksheet on work. Basically the dimension work is a scalar quantity, SI unit, CGS unit, relation work done by constant force, conditions for positive work, negative work, zero work, maximum work, minimum work, work force graph, work displacement graph, work theta graph, mode work theta graph, vector based problem on that. Then vector based problem when force and displacement are given in vector form. So there are the basic level questions. Just needed to make sure that you have at least fundamental grasp of the topic. Let's move on to the next worksheet. So next one we have worksheet on thermal stress and strain. So basically related to the change in length, the coefficient of linear expansion alpha, SI unit, strain, graphs corresponding to different things, comparison of three different materials, then strain proportional to delta T, then comparison for three different materials, three different temperatures. Then we have a concept of rigid rod when it is put between two rigid walls, a rod when put between two rigid walls, thermal stress over there, thermal strain, pressure, numerical question based on that. Then we have force, pressure, conditions for rods, change in length, total length, alpha equivalent. These are the basic concepts involved over here. Then we have another worksheet on kinetic energy, the dimension, SI unit, CGS unit, ratio, graphical variation, analysis of three different cases for comparison of velocity in three different cases. Then graphs between kinetic energy and speed, v square, three different cases comparison. Then k versus v square graph. Then it's a k versus v square graph for three different cases. Then kinetic energy versus magnitude of momentum graph in different cases. So this is another worksheet. So these worksheets are developed with the vision to check your basic understanding of the subject, the understanding of basic vocabularies, basic concepts, basic terms. Because any exam is asked from the combination of the basic terms to give a to create a more complex situations, but any complex situation is a combination of a number of simple situations. So if you are comfortable with the number of situations, you will gradually learn how to mix them up, how to use them up to decode the complex problems. So that is the central concept behind making these videos. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the doubt section. Thank you and have a nice day.